Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Patil, lecturer EC department. In this session, I will be discussing Unit 2 ARM instruction set, lecture number 14. The contents which will be discussed in this session are data processing instructions. Data processing instructions manipulate data within the registers. They are the move instructions. Most data processing instructions can process one of their operands using the barrel shifter. If the suffix s is used on data processing instruction, then it updates the flags in CPSR. Move instructions. Move is the ARM instruction that copies the content of source register or the immediate value into a destination register RD. This instruction is useful for setting initial values and transferring data between registers. Its syntax is given as, you can write the instruction which you are going to use along with some condition where the data is going to store, that is RD register, with some source register Rn, or it can also be a constant preceded by hash. There are two move instructions, namely MOV and MVN. The first instruction which we will be seeing here is move, that is a 32-bit value that is moved into register RD, that is destination register N. This instruction loads 32-bit value into destination register from another register, a shifted register or an immediate value. Syntax for move instruction: move performs a move to a register from another register or an immediate value. Move R1, R0. R0 is the source register and R1 is the destination register. So contents of R0 are moved into R1. In second example, move R1, R0, LSL hash 2. In this, first R0 is shifted by 2 positions towards left. After that, the shifted contents are moved into R1. And in the last, move R1, hash 1. Here, R1 is stored with value 1. The next instruction is MVN, that is move negative. It moves the not of 32-bit value into a register RD is equal to minus N. The syntax for move negative is shown. This instruction will move the complemented value of the contained register, shifted register or an immediate value into the destination register. That is MVN R1, R0. In this, complemented value of R0 is moved into R1. MVN R1, R0, LSL hash 2. In this, first the contents of R0 are shifted by 2 positions towards the left, and then the complemented value of R0 is moved into R1. MVN R0, hash 4. In this instruction, the negative value or complemented value of 4, that is minus 4, is moved into R0. Next, we will be seeing about arithmetic instructions. The arithmetic instructions are used to do the operations of addition, subtraction of 32-bit signed and unsigned numbers. The syntax of an arithmetic instruction is shown below, in which RD and RS are the 32-bit registers and N is an immediate value or a 32-bit register of shifter operand. The first instruction in arithmetic is add, that is addition. It is used to add 32-bit values. The syntax in which RD will be equal to Rn plus N. This instruction will add the 2 operands, placing the result in the destination register. Operand 1 is a register, operand 2 can be a register, shifted register, or even it can be an immediate value. Due to addition instruction, flags will be affected. Those will be N, Z, V and C. The addition may be performed on signed or unsigned numbers. The first example, add R0, R1, R2. In this, R0 will be equal to R1 plus R2. The next is add R0, R1, hash 256. In this, first contents of R1 and hash 256 will be added and the result will be stored in destination register, that is R0. In last example, add R0, R2, R3, LSL hash 1. In this, first contents of R3 will be shifted towards left by one position. Then R2 and R3 contents will be added and the result will be stored in register R0. The next instruction is ADC, that is add with carry. It is used to add two 32-bit values along with the carry. That is, the destination register RD will be equal to Rn plus N along with carry. The flags which will be updated if S will be used, then N, Z, V and C. The next instruction is subtraction, which is represented by SUB. It is used to subtract two 32-bit values. That is, RD is equal to Rn minus N. Flags which get updated when subtraction is performed is N, Z, V and C. This instruction will subtract operand 2 from operand 1, placing the result in destination register. Operand 1 is a register, operand 2 can be register, it can be some immediate value or some shifted register value. The subtraction may be performed on signed and unsigned numbers. For example, SUB R0, R1, R2. In this, R2 is subtracted from R1 and then the obtained result is moved into destination register R0. In next, SUB R0, R1, hash 0 cross 008000. In next instruction, SUB R0, R2, R3, hash LSL hash 1. In this, first R3 is shifted to the left by one position. Then from R2, R3 is being subtracted and the obtained result is stored in R0. The next instruction is SPC, that is subtraction with carry. It is used to subtract with carry of two 32-bit values. That is, RD is equal to Rn minus N along with the carry flag. Flags updated if this instruction is used is NZVC. This instruction will subtract two operands, placing the result in destination register. It uses the carry bit to represent borrow, so can subtract numbers larger than 32 bits. SUB and SBC, these two instructions generate the carry flag the wrong way around. If a borrow is required, then the carry flag is unset. Thus, this instruction requires a not carry flag. So, in this, it inverts the flag automatically during this instruction. The subtraction may be performed on signed and unsigned numbers. SBC R0, R1, R2. In this, R1 subtracts R2 and then not of C, that is not of carry. The result which is obtained is stored in register R0. Next is SPC R0, R1, hash 0 cross 000800. Here also 0 cross 800 is subtracted from R1 along with not of carry. Last is SBC R0, R2, R3 hash LSL 1. First, R3 is shifted by one position towards the left. then R2 minus shifted value of R3 minus naught of C. This result is stored in R0. RSB. Next instruction, which is reverse subtraction. It is used to reverse subtracted of two 32-bit values. RD is equal to N minus Rn. Flags which get updated for this instruction are N, Z, V, C. This instruction will subtract operand 1 from operand 2, placing the result in the destination register. RSB R0, R1, R2. That is R0 is equal to R2 minus R1. Next is RSB R0, R1, 256. In this, 256 minus R1 value is stored in R0. In instruction RSB will subtract operand 1 from operand 2, placing the result in destination register. Here, one thing has to be noted. This RSB instruction does not perform normal subtraction, like in which operand 2 is subtracted from operand 1. But instead, in this operand 1 is a register, operand 2 can be a register, shifted register, or immediate value. Normally, this instruction is used for negating or finding 2's complement of numbers. RSC, that is reverse subtraction with carry. It is used to reverse subtract with carry of 32-bit values. That is RD is equal to Rn minus N minus naught of carry flag. Flags which get updated is N, Z, V and C. This instruction will subtract operand 1 and complemented value of carry from operand 2, placing the result in destination register. Here one thing has to be noted is that normal subtraction, operand 2 is subtracted from operand 1, and that operand 1 can be register or any immediate value. Next, RSC R0, R1, R2. So here R2 minus R1 and naught of carry will be subtracted and this result will be stored into R0. Similarly, RSC R0, R1, 256. So in this 256 minus R1 minus naught of C, this result will be moved into R0. Thank you.